In this video, I'll show you how to change your PayPal account address to another country and what PayPal actually allows. First, the important thing to know is that PayPal does not let you switch an existing account from one country to another. PayPal's Help Center says accounts are tied to the country where they were opened, so if you move abroad, you can't just edit the address and change the country on that same account. What you can do is update your address within the same country. So if you move to a new city or a new house but you still live in the same country, open PayPal, go to Settings, then Addresses, and edit or add your new address there. PayPal says this works only for address changes inside the same country or region. If you really move to another country, the correct method is to close your old PayPal account and create a new account in your new country of residence. Before doing that, withdraw your balance. Remove linked cards or banks if needed, and cancel any subscriptions or automatic payments connected to the old account. Then sign up again using your new country, local address, phone number, and payment details. PayPal also says you may have two PayPal accounts if you maintain residences in two countries, as long as only one of them is a business account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.